Use the Classlist and email tool to learn about and connect with everyone who is participating in the course. This tutorial shows how to navigate the Classlist and email tool in Learn. On any page, click on Communication in the nav bar and select Classlist and Email from the drop-down menu. You will first see options for searching within the class list, which likely are helpful if you were in a very large class. Scroll down to see the list. Each user's profile picture, if one was uploaded, their name, and their role in the course display in Classlist. A green dot beside a user's name indicates that they are online. To send a message from Classlist, simply click on a user's name. To send a message to more than one person, select the users you want to contact by clicking in the box next to their name. Then click on Email. To organize the list by first name rather than last name, click on First Name. Click a user's profile picture to view their profile. To return to Classlist, click Go Back. Learn about and connect with everyone who is participating in the course by accessing the Classlist and email tool.